Friend, it is a tutorial of PDF to Word converter. How to convert PDF to Word? Now see, this is a PDF file. 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 This file convert PDF to Word. At first any browser, going to any browser, and you have must an Google account or Gmail account. Google all account or use one account. Then you have an Google account, then this button, click a drop down menu. You see drive, click. This is drive, click. Drive, click. Next my drive. Next this interface, my drive, click. Click upload file. Next upload file, click. Upload file, click. This is my PDF file. Select my PDF file, select and open. Uploading my PDF file. Wait, uploading my PDF file. Okay, upload. This is my PDF file is upload. And right click my PDF file on my PDF file. Open with Google Docs. This is Google Docs. Click. Google Docs, click. This file is open. Google Docs. And next menu bar, this interface up menu bar, file menu te click. This is file menu te click. Next download as Microsoft Word, click. Then file is Microsoft Word downloaded. Open. Okay, this is my Microsoft Word PDF file is convert. Open. This is my PDF file is convert Word file, and you customize your own. Okay. No more today. Thanks. Subscribe my channel for next video.